Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices is stuck in airplane mode. Okay, so let's get into the process, and the very first thing we need to do is to go to our run window and open it, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key all together here in our keyboard, or by simply making a right click in the Windows icon and then go to run window. So once this run window is up on our screen, let's type services.msc. It's services.msc. Now once done, please click on OK or enter, and the services window will be up on our screen. All we need to do here is to look for radio management service, and we can do that by simply selecting one of the services here and then go click on R, so that we will be brought to the R section, and here we need to look for this one, radio management service. Now once found, please do make a right click on it and then click on restart, and it will restart the radio management service. So this is actually linked to our airplane mode, and once done, let's renew your IP address to connect to the internet, and we also need to flash the DNS of the internet. So we can do that by, let's just close this one first. So we can do that by making a search here in the search tab, CMD, and under best match the command prompt will be seen. So please make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator, and then just click on the yes button here, and here you will see black window. In here we just need to type a command. It's ipconfig space /release. It's ipconfig space /release. Now once done, please click on enter, and then this next one is ipconfig space /renew, and then once done, click on enter. And for the last command, it's ipconfig space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS. Now once done, please do click on enter. And after doing that, we have now successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Just make a quick restart with your PC, and then once restarted, let's go to your settings. So let me just close this window. So after doing that, let's just go to the settings. We can do that by making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to settings option. And once we're in the settings option, let's go to the network and internet options. Okay, so we have here the airplane mode option. So if you see that this is turned on, please do turn this off, and just click or on and off this button here, and go to your Wi-Fi internet connection, and please go or try to connect with your Wi-Fi internet adapter or the wireless Wi-Fi that you have. Okay, so after doing that, then your problem is now fixed. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.